Hi guys, welcome back to part 2 of the Triton by Jayson Merrill, and it's from Armed Forces Origami, his book, and let's continue. So you want to fold this flap over along the edge behind it, basically so that this edge is a straight line. Then you're going to fold this point to that point. And then you're going to fold it over. And then you are going to fold this over, but let the flap behind swing out. And then you are going to squash fold that flap like that. You can either make it so that this edge lands on that edge, or so that everything is aligned. Next, you can pedal fold the flap up. And then you're going to fold this over like that and return the flap back to here. And then you're going to fold this edge to that edge. And fold this edge to that edge. You are just pre-creasing for a squash fold. So next you're going to squash fold the flap. Like that. And then you are going to fold up along those intersections, or that intersection. And using that crease, you are going to squash fold it up to form a flap like this. Fold it over. And you're going to return the flap to that position. And you're going to repeat that process on the other side. So fold this over. Fold this over. Unfold. Squash fold the flap. And you may want to unfold that. And first, repeat that process on that flap. So squash fold that and pedal fold it. fold this over and unfold it. Squash fold the flap back. Fold up along that intersection. And squash fold it up to form a flap. And then unfold it back to here. And then you are going to pull the paper from underneath out. So basically what's left of the water bomb base, as you see. Nothing really left of it except that layer, or these two flaps. So yeah, we need to pull this out so it forms a flap, and fold this edge to that crease, the center crease. And then you're going to fold this over and inside reverse fold it in. Like that. And then you're going to fold the flap over and fold this edge to that edge. You are going to turn the model over, and next you're going to fold these two flaps up as far as they will go. Fold these corners into the center and tuck them under. And then you're going to inside reverse fold this flap in and refold the creases you made. You're going to next fold this top flap over and tuck under the bottom flap. So first, you are actually going to reverse this, fold that over, and tuck both of these layers under, so you only have one layer. And yeah, you're going to repeat that process to this side. Like that. Fold this over and tuck those two flaps under. Alright, once you've done that, you are going to fold these sides underneath, like that, and like that. And then you're going to fold these flaps down and then rabbit ear fold them out. And there will be some creases underneath the layers. There are some slight creases that you made earlier. And those will help you a little bit with rabbit ear folding these flaps out. And then you're going to squash fold them over. Like that. And like that. And then you're going to fold these flaps in half. And then you're going to squash fold these flaps up once again. And then you are going to outside reverse fold them. And these corners of the paper will be sharp, so be careful of those. And this is the reason why you need foil paper, because if you used another sheet of paper, these gun turrets here will go off to one side in a funny direction. So yeah, once you've done that, you are going to push in the sides of the top area to form a bridge, or actually, yeah. So you're going to need a thin tool, kind of like this. You can use any pen or pencil that would fit through here to use the existing creases you also made earlier. Those creases can not only just be used for the gun turrets, they can also be used for this. So you are going to reach in here and just pop the edges out. So what you basically want to do here is you want to just fold along this edge while you reach inside with your tool and shape that part of the paper to form a bridge. So shape it about like that. Make sure this is a mountain fold. Like that. And once you're done shaping that, you are going to push the sides at the bottom of the boat to form a hull. And you might want to reach inside them with the same tool you were using. Something at least thin that won't tear the paper. And these bottom parts of the flaps here, actually just like the top, where when you squash fold it, the top just flattens like that. You want to do that for the same thing as the bottom of the boat. Just squash fold it in the same way. Just don't let everything come apart when you're doing so. As you see, this doesn't really want to cooperate. And if it doesn't, you can just unfold it and refold it. And recrease it. You don't actually have to crease it. You can just push it in. Also make sure that this flap is standing up. And make sure none of these layers are falling in. So yeah, you're going to repeat that on the other side. And after you've shaped the other side, you might want to reshape the side you shaped earlier, because that side might have also collapsed. And yeah, once you've done that, there it is, the Triton by Jayson Merrill. And as you can see, these cannons can swivel out to a great degree, as the book says. So you can keep on shaping it until you're satisfied. And once you're done, I will see you next time. Bye!